Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to learn how to write in Tamil but felt a little lost? Well, we're here to make it super easy and fun. Welcome to our Udemy course, Tamil Writing for Beginners. If you're just starting out, this course is perfect for you. We'll show you how to write Tamil step by step. You'll learn all the Tamil letters, both vowels and consonants, with fun lessons and lots of practice. Our awesome teacher will show you exactly how to write each letter, stroke by stroke. You'll feel more confident with every letter you learn. We have cool videos, easy-to-understand explanations, and quizzes to check your progress. You can learn at your own speed. And you can access the course forever. Ready to begin your Tamil writing adventure? Sign up today for Tamil Writing for Beginners, a guide to Tamil script on Udemy, and discover the beauty of Tamil writing. Thank you.